So in this question, we want to find the fourth proportional to 1.5, 4.5 and 3.5, right? So we've been given three numbers and they've asked us what would be the fourth proportional to these three numbers. To start this question, we can say let the fourth proportional, the number that we need to find, we can say let that be x, like I usually do. Now understand 1.5, 4.5, 3.5 and x are in proportion, which basically means 1.5 upon 4.5 is equal to 3.5 upon x, right? Because these four numbers are in proportion. Now to find the value of x, all we need to do is just cross multiply and rearrange this equation. So I can say x is equal to 3.5 into 4.5 and the entire thing divided by 1.5, right? Now just a quick cancel out. This is for 15 and 45 over here, so we know 15 ones are, 15 threes are, so all we are left with is 3.5 into 3. So I can easily say x, no, sorry, let's use the same color as we were. So I can easily say x is equal to 3.5 into 3, which is 15, 1 carry, 9, 10, so it's 10.5. 10.5. Alright. Now final answer, we want to find the fourth proportional, so I can say therefore the fourth proportional is 10.5. This here is our final answer. Let's mark it in a rectangle like we always do. Here we go.